February 4th, 2010, 3:05 p.m., San Antonio, Texas, directly over the Edwards Aquifer. This is a new development in San Antonio, Texas, and you can see the water sheet flowing down the impervious pavement, just in sheets. It's been raining here for about 3 days straight. As you can see, it's relatively undeveloped. So this is the tail end of the system. You can see there's a great deal of water just coming off this pavement, and what's occurring is what's supposed to. The system's working very well. There's some construction BMPs here that are holding back a great deal of large sediment, and that is draining into a very large above ground Austin Sandfilter, and this is doing its job very well also. You can see the water coming in from the outfall. I'll be looking at a manhole cover that directs the water into the sand filter, and then there's piping underneath the sand filter, and I'll show you the outfall, and everything's working wonderfully. This system was recently maintained about 3 weeks ago by the municipal crew. They tilled it and took out most of the construction sediment, and that's fresh sand down there, so this system is working very well. Just a tremendous amount of sediment that's being held back by this BMP. In fact, it's almost becoming overwhelmed. Much of the coarser sediment towards the outside of this is staying put. You could barely see a sediment mound that's building, but yeah, just this amount of rain is overwhelming this slightly. Whereas this one right here is hardly affected. You can see the buildup along here, and this one really isn't getting much rain at all. The other one I just showed you is directly adjacent on the other side of the street. Over here, someone has lifted up the manhole cover. This is the diversion manhole that takes the stormwater into the sand filter. I'll film it when we get a little closer. This is the water that's coming off my development and right into the aquifer. Really an incredible system.